Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you bought your Nintendo Switch 2 from elsewhere, and you want to go ahead and make sure that the time is adjusted to your current living time. How do you actually go ahead and do so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, let's go ahead and start up our Switch 2, and then we're going to navigate to where it says System Settings. Next, scroll all the way down, and you want to go ahead and click on System, which is located right over here, and then scroll down even more, and then you're going to find this option that says Date and Time, so click on that. So right now, this option here should be toggled on where your clock is synchronized using the internet, so usually based on your location, it'll make sure that you're adjusted to the correct time. But if for whatever reason this is toggled off, you could actually go ahead and change your time zone in order to make sure that you're timed with the correct time. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the date and time on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.